Imagine you are on the 40th floor. The doors close. You are alone. You press the button for the lobby and wait. Suddenly, a loud snap echoes through the shaft. The lights flicker and turn red. Your stomach drops. You feel weightless. The numbers on the display are racing down fast. 35, 30, 25. You are trapped in a metal box, free-falling at 50 miles per hour towards the concrete basement. You have exactly 5 seconds before impact. Your brain screams one solution. I have to jump. If I jump at the last second, I will float. But is that true? Or will that decision be the last mistake you ever make? In this video, we will break down the physics of a falling elevator and the only body position that can actually save your life.
Let's start with the most famous myth, the jump. People think that if the elevator is falling down at 50 miles per hour and they jump up at 5 miles per hour, they will cancel out the speed. It sounds like simple math, but physics doesn't work that way. First, you cannot time the jump. You can't see the ground approaching. Second, even if you are an Olympic athlete, you can only jump at about 3 miles per hour. So, if you are falling at 50 and you jump at 3, you are still hitting the ground at 47 miles per hour. The result? You will likely hit your head on the ceiling due to the jump and then crash into the floor with almost the same massive force. Jumping is not a survival strategy. It is a fatal error.
So, jumping is out. What if you stand still and brace your knees? This is also a terrible idea. When the elevator hits the bottom, it stops instantly. But your body wants to keep moving. This is called inertia. If you are standing, your thin leg bones have to absorb the shock of your entire body weight multiplied by the G-force. Imagine an elephant stepping on your shoulders. That is the force we are talking about. Your ankles and knees will fail instantly. But the real danger is the shock wave traveling up to your spine. The force can cause permanent, life-changing damage to your back and nervous system. Standing up guarantees a catastrophic outcome.
So, how do you survive the impossible? Engineers and stunt experts agree on one method. You must maximize the surface area of your body to distribute the force. Lie flat on your back in the center of the elevator car. Cover your face with your hands to protect from falling debris. By lying flat, you are not putting the pressure on your ankles or spine. Instead, the force is spread across the strong muscles of your back and thighs. Your fat and muscle act as a natural cushion. Will it hurt? Yes, it will feel like a massive physical blow, but your vital organs are protected. And that means you have a chance to walk away.
Now, take a deep breath. The chances of this happening are extremely low. Modern elevators have multiple cables and automatic brakes that clamp onto the rails if the car goes too fast. But machines fail. And now, if you ever hear that cable snap, you know exactly what to do. Don't jump. Don't stand. Lie flat. If you found this survival guide useful, hit the like button. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Stay safe, Risk of 8 family.
Subscribe to survive.